Hello everyone, welcome to the e-tutorial series of the Income Tax Department TDS section Kerala. In this video series, we have included various topics related to TDS return preparation and filing, online and offline correction return preparation and filing, and various other online correction procedures. We hope that these videos will provide a one-stop solution regarding your TDS related queries. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step procedure of downloading the Conso file. So what is a Conso file? Conso file is the file with the data of the TDS returns processed for a relevant financial year, quarter and form type. So basically it is a statement which contains the details of the TDS return which has been processed. And we use this for revising the filed TDS statements. And the Conso file is available from the financial year 2007-8 onwards, and it can be downloaded only if the statement has been processed. In the case of paper returns, the Conso file cannot be downloaded from the traces. Now this is a password protected statement. So to open the Conso file, the format of the password would be your TAN underscore the request number, and the TAN should be in capital letters. Now the downloaded file will be in the zip format, and it has to be extracted with the password and imported in the software to make the necessary corrections. In the case of matched challans, the Conso file can be downloaded from traces at any time. But in the case of unmatched challans, we have two criteria. For non-migrated statements, that is statements which have been processed by the CPC, that is the statements we file nowadays, that will be processed by the CPC. In such cases, if the statement contains an unmatched challan, you cannot download the Conso file. But in the case of migrated statements, that is statements prior to October 2012, which are not yet processed by the CPC, the detector can download the Conso file even in the case of unmatched challan. Log into Traces website. It is www.tdscpc.gov.in. A pop-up disclaimer page would appear on the screen. Click on Continue, and then you can see the home page of Traces. Once the login button is clicked, this page would be displayed. And please select the detector button and type your user ID, password, TAN and verification code as displayed on the screen. In case you have forgotten your username or password, please refer to our videos to retrieve user ID and password. The links are provided in the description box. On successful logging in, this page would be displayed, and this is the landing page of the traces. In the landing page, click on the Statements Bar Payments tab, and in that, select the option Request for Conso file. Then you will reach this page where you will have to enter the financial year, quarter and form type of the Conso file which is required to be downloaded, and then click on the button Go. It may be noted that the Conso file can be downloaded only after matching the challans with the statement. So in case you have any unmatched challans, you will have to first correct the unmatched challans and then only you can download the Conso file. To proceed further, you will have to do your KYC validation. This may be done with the digital signature or without the digital signature. For using the digital signature supported KYC validation method, you should first have your digital signature registered with the system. In this video, we are following the digital signature supported KYC validation method. In case you don't possess a digital signature, you may follow the KYC validation method without digital signature, which is explained in detail in a separate video in this channel. Link for the video is given in the description box. You have to ensure a few things in your computer or laptop before using the digital signature certificate. The digital signature certificate token should be plugged in and should be running in the background. Ensure that the latest mSigner is installed in the system. Ensure that mSigner is running in the background. The browser you are using should be the Internet Explorer version 10+, the Mozilla version 40+, or the Google Chrome version 50+. Ensure that Java version in your system should be Java version 8 update 141/162 32-bit and should be running. Please refer to the video of registering digital signature in traces in case your digital signature certificate is not registered or you have any doubts in downloading or running the prerequisites mentioned above where it is explained in detail. Link for the video is given in the description box. Once you click on the Validate DSC button, the digital signature pop-up will be displayed, and in that you select your digital signature certificate and click on the button Sign. So now the validation is done and the request number will generate after successful submission of the request. The Conso file will be available in the download section. So now we'll see how we can download the Conso file. For that, click on the Downloads tab and select the requested downloads from the drop-down menu. So in this page we have three options to search for the particular request. One is the request number, the date and the view all option. So the list of the requests as per the category selected will be listed out, and check out the relevant request number. Now in case if you are seeing a submitted status, then please wait for 24 to 48 hours to get the Conso file. Now check the status of your request. If the status is seen as available, then click on the row to select it. After clicking on the row, the button HTTP download will be active, as you can see on the page, and you can click on the same and the Conso file can be downloaded to your computer. Now the downloaded file will be in the zip format and it has to be extracted with the password and imported in the RPU software for making the necessary corrections. And the format of the password would be your TAN underscore request number, and the TAN should be in the capital letters. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions regarding this video in the email ID displayed on this page. Please send us a mail if you want us to include any other relevant topics in this e-learning program. Thank you so much.